Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lizzie, I'm a mum of 3 and a wheelchair user, and I thought I'd film today because I'm just about to start packing for a family trip away. We're just going to see my in-laws, so my partner's mum and dad, and yeah, we've got 3 children, and I thought I'd show you what we pack for them and how we pack for just like a short trip. It's probably going to be like about 5 days, I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what we pack and how I kind of go about choosing what to bring for 3 children and 2 adults and a dog. So let's go. So I'm just packing the first bits of mine. I've got a few vest tops, this like comfy t-shirty dress, and another t-shirty dress, 2 pairs of shorts, I've got 1 more to go in. And yeah, I'm just going to pack mostly summery stuff in the hope that it's warm and sunny. I also need to pack swimming stuff because they have a hot tub, and hopefully we'll spend most of our time in there, although I'm really not looking forward to getting more flesh out because I feel really fat at the moment, so hopefully I'll find my tankini in the drawer somewhere, which covers up a bit more, but still the belly, don't like it. This is my tankini that I'm wearing, which obviously covers my belly, but it's still quite tight, and I hate showing off my belly, but I'll wear it anyway because there's nothing else to wear in the pool, and the matching giant pants. I even packed an actual bikini, a red one, which I haven't worn since I was in Cyprus 10 years ago, so hopefully it still fits, but I probably won't wear it, but it's packed anyway. So that's us done, I think. So this is my side, my pyjamas on top, pyjama tops and vest at the back, jeans or shorts, my skinny jeans in the middle, and then on this side Tom's swimming shorts, and underneath that a load of shorts for daytime wear if we go out, loads of t-shirts and just 1 pair of trousers because we'll probably be at the house most of the time, in and out of the hot tub. And then at the back there's my swimwear, underwear and Tom's underwear. So that is us done, and there's actually room in the suitcase, which never happens. So I'm hoping I can pack as lightly for the kids as well. So successful so far. Okay, so I think I'm done sorting the kids stuff out. We've got Rafe's pile of shorts, t-shirts, pyjamas and some white vests. Then we've got little H&M dresses for Emily, which are really handy just for chucking on when they're out and about, playing in the pool and stuff after they've got dried. Some pyjama tops and nighties, some t-shirts and vest tops, and there's knickers for both girls, and shorts and leggings for Emily, and some socks for both of them. I'm not packing many pairs of socks because they'll be in flip-flops most of the time. Little H&M dresses for Genevieve, t-shirts and vests for Genevieve, shorts for Genevieve and nighties for Genevieve. And then we've got swimwear for all of them, and I got to fit it all in that suitcase. I have every intention when we go away of packing lightly because I always end up packing too much for the kids and for me as well. But I see things in their drawers and I'm like, oh, that'll look cute on them, or I haven't seen that dress or top for a while and I want to pack it for them, so I don't think I've packed very lightly again. But I don't know, Rafe needs extra shorts and stuff because he will get dirty, but we can wash stuff there at Tom's mum and dad, so it should be okay. It's not too much, it just looks like a lot. I've got these little armbands for Rafe, just Spider-Man ones off Amazon. They're only about £5 I think, because we'll be in the hot tub quite a lot and it'll mean that we won't have to hold him the whole time. As far as nappies and wipes for Rafe, I'm just going to pack 1 pack of the Mamiya Aldi pull-ups and 2 packs of wipes. We can always buy more when we're there if we run out, but hopefully this should be enough. He tends to go through like 3 or 4 a day, so it may be enough, it may not be, we'll see. I also need to find some swim nappies to pack as well. By magic I have found 2 swim nappies. This is all we have left, so if they're just wet you can rinse them out and dry them in the sun or just on an airer. So I'm hoping he doesn't poo in them and these will last us the whole time we're there. If not, I'll have to go to Tesco Extra or somewhere and buy some more. We're getting there. We've packed our suitcase, the girls' black one, and I couldn't fit Rafe in there, so he's got the flowery Union Jack bag. Debbie's collecting dog toys.
I haven't
Is that your job?
dinner. I need to go.
Oh, she needs to finish her dinner. So yeah, Rafe's stuff is all there. These things can go in the car now. And we'll pack toiletries and stuff tomorrow after we've used them. So I think we're just about packed now. Kids' stuff is done. I didn't pack very lightly, but I'm just not very good at it. My stuff's done, Tom's stuff is done. We just need to pack toiletries in the morning, and most of it's in the car already, so that's good. My electric wheelchair is in the car. My manual will be going in after I get in the car. And yeah, I just need to pack shoes for the kids, but I think I'm literally just going to pack flip-flops and maybe some dolly shoes for the girls and some trainers for Rafe, and that'll be it really. And the same sort of thing for me. I think we're just pretty much sorted. Found the travel cot eventually. It was kind of hidden in the depths of the cupboard under the stairs. Yeah, I think we're on track to leave hopefully late morning-ish after Amelie's last swimming lesson. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video of us packing. And yeah, if you have any tips on how I can make it easier, don't forget to drop those in the comments below, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!